Today I'm going to give you 15 reasons why bookkeeping is important. You heard that right, not 5, 15 convincing and valid reasons. I know, there are a ton of things that are important in business owners, like sales, marketing, training, service delivery, and much more. But if I was you, I'd place bookkeeping at the top of my important list, as it affects literally everything that I just mentioned, which you'll see why and how by the end of this video. In fact, if you're doubtful that bookkeeping is important, I want to pose a question that I want you to answer at the end of the video. The question is this: what story is your bookkeeping telling you? Is it a horror story or one where the main character is triumphant? Okay, we'll come back to that. Hi, I'm Karan from Life Accounting, where we help businesses save money, increase profit, and plan for a profitable future via smart accounting and bookkeeping practices. Do me a favor and like this video so others can see it on YouTube, and subscribe so you don't miss a video that can improve the financial health of your business. Okay, let's talk about why bookkeeping is important. Here are the 15 reasons. Number 1, bookkeeping is important because it helps you stay organized. Really, Karan? That's what we're starting out with? Hey, hear me out. Being organized is a skill every business owner should have. You should be able to find information regarding your business at any given time. There are a few parties that are interested in your company's financial records: the IRS, employees, investors, lenders, and most importantly, yourself. Being able to provide the information requested by these parties are vital to your ongoing operation. If you don't have the information for yourself, you can make a financial decision that can simply cripple your business. If you don't provide records requested by the IRS, that can mean penalties and fees. If you don't provide records requested by investors or lenders, that can mean a stoppage on your cash flow. Being disorganized with your books could cause your relationship with these parties to be compromised or terminated altogether. Literally, by definition, bookkeeping is the organization of financial information. And keeping your financial records organized makes it easier to locate and provide to appropriate parties. Hey, comment below if you can do better with your organization. No judgment here. Number 2, bookkeeping is important because it helps you budget. When income and expenses are properly organized, it makes it easier to review financial resources and expenses. A budget creates a financial roadmap for your business. And with the budget, you can plan for future expenses and anticipated resources that can cover those expenses. All right, number 3. Bookkeeping is important because it helps you with tax preparation. In most cases, your business has to file a tax return every single year. Even more, you also have to file a personal return that requires your business returns be filed. And yet, every year, millions of business owners are scrambling through their desks to find missing paperwork. Sound familiar? The tax filing process can be made more efficient by simply having a bookkeeping function within your company. Number 4, bookkeeping is important because it helps you with performance analysis. You see, bookkeeping is a tool used by management to analyze business performance. And the product of bookkeeping is financial statements. And financial statements should be regularly generated and used for that analysis. So while you're analyzing financial statements, you can track your cash flows and outflows, which lets you know what business activities are working and not working. This very type of analysis allows you to focus on your company's strengths and improve on its weaknesses. All right, number 5, bookkeeping is important because it helps you make better decisions. With analysis comes better decision making. And in order to make the best decisions possible, you need to have access to all the information available. And you know what provides that information? Bookkeeping. The first step to making a profitable decision is to have financial information that backs it up. All right? Number 6, bookkeeping is important because it helps you plan for the future. Bookkeeping presents the past financial performance of your company. And in order to plan for the future, you have to have a good understanding of the past. This includes planning for strategic purposes and tax planning, as mentioned previously. Number 7, bookkeeping is important because it helps you easily report to investors. If you have investors, they want to know the financial performance of your business to be able to quantify the value of their investment. And financial statements do just that. The balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement all present the value of your business. And those things allow investors to have up-to-date, accessible information. Investors will be able to make better, well-informed decisions, which is the ultimate purpose of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is not only for current investors, but future investors too. Prospective investors are more likely to invest in your business when you have organized financial information. Think about it. If you were an investor, would you invest in a company that didn't have accessible and organized financial records? All right, number 8, making it to the halfway point. Bookkeeping is important because it helps you with financial management. Simply put, bookkeeping allows you to take control of your business finances. Bookkeeping paints a clear picture of how you spend your money. You can see outstanding invoices owed by you or your customers. Simply put, you benefit from paying your bills on time and receiving payment on time for your products or services. And it's this delicate balance of cash flow and outflow that will keep your business going. Number 9, bookkeeping is important because it gives you peace of mind. You see, disorganized books can weigh heavy on your mind as a business owner. With all of the other factors of running a business, your bookkeeping should not be keeping you up late at night. When your books are complete each and every month, you can rest easy knowing that your company's financial information is ready to review. Banks nor the IRS no longer can give you anxiety. Instead, you'll find your mind at ease and more focused on other elements of your business. All right, number 10, bookkeeping is important because it allows you to track profit and growth. Want to know your business's profitability? Start bookkeeping. For example, the income statement is one of the financial statements that is prepared from your bookkeeping. And on that income statement, you can see if your business is profitable or not. And without this information, it's simply impossible to know how well or not so well you're doing. Bookkeeping also helps with tracking growth. Over time, you'll accumulate months and years of data. And with that data, you can observe trends and gain an understanding of your business cycles and compare results across different periods. Number 11, bookkeeping is important because it improves your cash flow. How does bookkeeping improve your cash flow? Well, bookkeeping provides information regarding your outstanding invoices, customer vendor name, amounts, date issues, and due dates, which can be used to implement better cash flow policies. Some examples of this are shortening the amount of time you allow your customers to pay you. And on the flip side, you can delay the payment of vendor invoices by waiting until a day or two before the due date. And by doing so, you're increasing the average amount of cash you have on hand at any given time. Number 12, bookkeeping is important because it provides a greater focus on strategy. Tactical and strategic planning is the core of what you do as a business owner. You're always thinking of ways to grow and develop your business. With bookkeeping as a tool, you are closer to your short-term and long-term goals. You should use the information that bookkeeping offers you to focus on strategy. You track the results of that strategy with bookkeeping and adjust your goals accordingly. Number 13, bookkeeping is important because it provides a snapshot of your business. Bookkeeping provides financial information about your company in the form of financial statements. Financial statements like the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement all provide financial information for a set period of time. And when you put those together, these statements take a snapshot of your business, allowing you the ability to see how well your business performed. Number 14, bookkeeping is important because it makes an IRS audit easier. But let me say this, I hope you never get audited by the IRS. But in the unfortunate circumstance you are audited by the IRS, you want to make sure your books are in order. Messy books prolong the auditing process, making your business more susceptible to fees and penalties. If the IRS feels that your books are disorganized or outdated, they have more motivation to impose penalties. And when faced with an audit, it's best to make their job easier by providing what their requests are in a timely manner. All right, we're here. Number 15, bookkeeping is important because it's simply a requirement under the law. You see, the law requires you to keep financial records for your company. Depending on your legal structure, the law requires you to keep financial records separate from your personal records, and failing to do so can lead to termination of your business. So there you have it. Now you know the 15 reasons why bookkeeping is important. So Let's revisit the question I asked you earlier. At this very moment, what story is your bookkeeping telling you? Let me know in the comments. If you find yourself needing to implement a bookkeeping process, consider hiring a bookkeeping professional to help you, such as Life Accounting. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe so you don't miss another video that can help you improve the financial health of your business. I'm Karan from Life Accounting. Until next time.